Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Roomba and you have the app. And so as you may know, Roomba maps your house and then it can create different rooms, and you can set the different rooms and you can send Roomba to clean the different rooms. And it's going to divide your house up into these spaces, and you can actually move these spaces around if you want to delineate certain spaces in your house. And how can we do that? So we do that, what we do is we open the app and we're going to go into the map that it has of our house. So over on the right here, you see this little option for map with this little map icon. We'll click on that, and you'll have maps. It'll have maps for different floors. So my house is just one floor. It's an apartment. So you'll see, and this is a map of the different rooms in my house. And if you see the dotted lines here, that's a divider that it has. This is my kitchen. This is what I call the middle earth area before we get to the living room. So these dividers, I can move these dividers. So all I need to do if I want to move them is click on room dividers, and they will turn from a dashed line to a dark blue. And then once I do that, I just need to tap on that divider that I want to move, and that you'll see I'll get this blue circle in the middle of it, and I can do either things. I can drag it left and right, and not only can I drag it left and right, but if I take my two fingers, I can twist it around in any direction that I want it to move that divider to where I need it, so that then I can set up the rooms for Roomba to vacuum. So anyways, hope watching this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.